Hello and welcome to another update video about gold. Well, gold actually did push higher and formed that fifth wave that we wanted to see. To get some clarity here, as you might remember from previous updates, I have a pretty bullish view on gold. Even in case the yellow scenario would have played out, which would have required only a three-wave top, so I can take it off the chart, or at least it reduces in likelihood, because this is better to be counted as a five-wave move up. But even in the yellow wave count, which would have resulted in a lower low, I'm eventually looking for higher prices. Okay, so it is still a bullish market. I see this as consolidation. Looking at it, it could even be that some kind of a triangle pattern is here unfolding. So what I will do, I'll take out that yellow microstructure. We don't need it for now. The price did hold support, even though we had a brief break, but not a sustained break below the 50% retracement. But we don't need that support zone anymore. But we talked about that already in the last video. And the market actually reached that 200% extension, which is common in a wave 5 in gold, because fifth waves like to extend, okay? So that's all good. I'd be happy to call that a fifth wave complete, even though looks as if it might need another micro high, because the wave 1 is a 5-wave move, the wave 3 is a 5-wave move. And well, I mean, in the wave 5, I can only count 3 waves, right? Not sure if you can count 5, but for me, this looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oops, I need to change the wave degree. And yeah, it would be an extremely deep wave 4 there, but it could be a diagonal pattern, an ending diagonal in wave 5 of 1. So you know what I will do, I'm going to add a trend line here, which the market seems to respect. And as long as we're holding that trend line, I think I'd be looking for one more high. I mean, this is just the micro perspective, right? So we might not get it. It's high enough. But any break below the trend line would be early evidence that we've topped in all of wave 1. And okay, that would then be further confirmed with a break below this small wave 4 low at 2,396, and then with a break below the previous low at 2,376. So that's what I'm watching. Next week, therefore, in the next couple of weeks, we need to watch the support region, okay? So I'm going to add a support region for this wave 2. This would be the subsequent pullback. It's between 2,330 and 2,380. And this means any pullback could send us into this region. And from there, we can then reverse to the upside, a 1-2 setup with a third wave to come. The pullback is the wave 2. Only any break below 2,330 means we're breaking support. A different interpretation would be needed. But if we form one more high, by the way, what would be the next upside target? Let's clean that up here a bit. 2,440. Yeah, as I said, we might get one more high. 2,440 and then 2,450. So it's clearly respecting the fibs, but we might need one more high here. And it would look extended, but that's common in a fifth wave in metals. Okay, alternatively, we might get some kind of a triangle. Maybe this entire wave 4 is a triangle. Yeah, so I would put that onto the chart, different color, wave 4 question mark. Would it make a great difference? No, probably the support region would also be relevant. Here you can see how two different wave counts could lead to the same result. Because then we could say this was an A wave down, I will change the color in a minute, B wave up, C wave down, D wave, but it looks more like 5 waves. But again, that's to a degree subjective. Then this could be a triangle, yeah. So I think that keeps us, or that prepares us for next week. Next upside targets are common, or are relevant, not relevant, are well known now. The trend line is clear, the support area is clear, and it's still a bullish market. That's my update about gold. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in daily updates about the S&P 500, as well as regular updates about stocks, feel free to check out our stocks and S&P 500 service. You'll find the link in the description. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.